Welcome to another training session of Somatic Manager. In today's session, we will see how we can use double words, memory words, and bytes in our programming. And what are the things which we might have to take into consideration before using these words and bytes in our programming. Because these words and bits can cause confusion for the beginners. So let's start today's session. As you can see that I have used FC105, which is our scaling function, and we are just simply taking an input and scaling it down and saving the scale values in double word 40. As you can see that I have used double word 40. So what does double word means? This means that, as you can see here, the MD40 consists of two words, which is memory word 40 and memory word 42. As you are all aware that memory word consists of 16 bits or 2 bytes, and each byte has 8 bits. So this means that if I use MD40 here to save my scale values in it, I can't use memory word 40 and 42 because MD40 consists of these two words and data is being stored in these two words. If I use these two words somewhere else in my programming, it will definitely cause problems. For example, for more explanation, we can create a new network here, and suppose I am taking memory bit M40.0 and it is turning on any bit like Q 0.0. okay, so as you know that the memory bit 40.0 is a part of this word, which is memory word 40, because memory word 40 consists of MB, which is byte 40 and byte 41. Okay, so this bit is the first bit of MB40, memory byte 40. Okay, so as you know that we have used double register 40, so this means that this bit is a part of this double register. So what does this means? When the values are being stored in this double register, whenever the bit M40.0 is high, it will turn on our output and it can cause malfunction in our machine or whatever operation we are controlling. So we have to take care before using the bits and words in the programming. Similar way, there is another scenario also. We can turn on I0.0 our input and it is turning on our bit M40.5. Again, this is a part of the memory word 40 and memory word 40 is being written by function FC105, and in this scenario what will happen, suppose we are controlling a tank level. Okay, so tank level values are being stored here, and if this input turns high, okay, it will turn on this bit, and what it can do, it will might be increase the tank level because our bit is on and it will not show the actual values, tank level values. So we have to use our bits and words carefully, and we can revise here again. Our double registers or double words 40 consist of two memory words, and each word consists of two memory bytes. Okay, so this means that the memory word 40 consists of 40 plus 41. Okay, and each byte has 8 bits. So this means that if we are using MD40 in our programming, we cannot use memory bytes up to MB43. Okay, if we have to use a memory byte here or memory bit, we can start from memory byte MB44. And again, same thing goes for the data registers also. As you can see that I am moving a value of DB1, okay, to memory word 200, and same is the scenario with this one. Okay, if somebody turns on this input and it will for example, if it is here db1 dot dbx 0.0. So this is the first bit of this memory word which is inside this TP1, okay, word 0. So what happens if this input turns on in and this our bit also turns on, okay, and what will happen, it will turn on here also, and it can increase the values here, and in turn we are writing wrong values in memory word 200. So this is the today's lecture regarding memory words and bits, and I hope you understand. This is the common mistakes the beginners are doing. I just want to address these things with you. And if you really like this video, please like it, subscribe my channel, and till next video, take care and goodbye.